In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multiple baselines in Microsoft Project. Before we dive in, let's quickly set the context. A baseline is a snapshot of your project's plan at a specific moment in time. Microsoft Project lets you save up to 11 of these snapshots, the original baseline plus baseline 1 through baseline 10. This is incredibly useful when your plan evolves because you can compare what you originally intended against what you later approved after changes, and see how dates, work, and costs have shifted. Start by opening your project file in Microsoft Project so everything is ready to go. Then head to the Project tab on the ribbon. Click Set Baseline and choose Set Baseline. This opens the dialog where the key choices live. In the dialog, make sure the Set Baseline option is selected. Now choose where you want to store this snapshot. If this is your very first snapshot, pick Baseline. After that, use Baseline 1, Baseline 2, and so on as your plan changes over time. Each numbered baseline is a separate, preserved snapshot of the current schedule, capturing planned start and finish dates, durations, work, and cost at that moment. Using a new slot each time helps you keep a clean history of revisions without overwriting prior decisions. Next, choose the scope of what you want to baseline. Entire project is the most common choice and captures everything in your schedule. If you only want to lock in a portion of the plan, choose Selected Tasks. This is handy for phase projects or partial rebaselines when only a subset of tasks has changed significantly. Pick the option that matches your situation and click OK. You've just saved a baseline. Anytime your plan changes and gets approved, return to the Project tab, click Set Baseline again, and select the next available slot, Baseline 1, Baseline 2, and so on. A simple way to think about it is baseline for your original plan, Baseline 1 after the first change, Baseline 2 after a major revision, and continue that pattern as needed. Consider keeping a brief note elsewhere about what each slot represents so you always know which snapshot aligns with which decision. To view how your plan has evolved across multiple baselines, switch to a comparison view. Go to the View tab, choose Other Views or More Views, select Multiple Baselines Gantt, and click Apply. This view overlays the bars for baseline, baseline 1, baseline 2, and the current schedule, making it easy to spot slippage, accelerations, and variance across revisions at a glance. That's it. Set, repeat as plans change, and visualize the history clearly.